give everybody a little Saturn return lesson. There's a lot that could be said about your Saturn return, so I'm only going to get into like a small little portion of it. But the year leading up to your Saturn return and the year of your Saturn return, life is going to throw you so many fucking obstacles, so many fucking challenges, so many things that you are going to have to persevere through, work through, and it's going to give you obstacles that you have dealt with in the past. And why it's doing this, it's because it's waiting. It's waiting to see if you react the same way that you have always reacted. And if you react in that same fucking like low vibrational way that you used to, Saturn's not going to grant you with the life that you're seeking. And you better fucking like work through that shit, and you better grow up, or Saturn is not going to grant you the gifts of life.